Kia ora koutou. It's great to be here with you today to discuss our November monetary policy statement. I'm Karen Silk, Assistant Governor of the Reserve Bank Money Group and a member of the Monetary Policy Committee. With me today, I have two more members of the Monetary Policy Committee, Deputy Governor Christian Hawkesby and our Chief Economist Paul Conway. Governor Orr extends his apologies. He is attending the annual meeting of the South Pacific Central Bank Governors, but he will be back before you on Wednesday for the Reserve Bank's annual review meeting. So just a few comments to make. The Monetary Policy Committee agreed yesterday to reduce the official cash rate by 50 basis points to 4.25%. Annual consumer price inflation has declined, and it is now close to the midpoint of the Monetary Policy Committee's 1 to 3% target band. Inflation expectations are close to target, and core inflation is also converging to the midpoint. If economic conditions continue to evolve as projected, the committee expects to be able to lower the official cash rate further early next year. Economic activity in New Zealand remains subdued and output continues to be below its potential. With excess productive capacity in the economy, inflation pressures have eased. Domestic price and wage setting behaviours are becoming consistent with inflation remaining near the target midpoint, and the price of imports has also fallen, also contributing to lower headline inflation. Looking forward, economic growth is expected to recover during 2025 as lower interest rates encourage investment and other spending. Employment growth is expected to remain weak until mid-2025. This reflects the normal lag between improvements in activity and employment. For some, however, financial stress will also take some time to ease. Global economic growth is expected to remain subdued in the near term. Geopolitical conditions and policy uncertainty could, however, contribute to increased economic and inflation volatility over the medium term. The Monetary Policy Committee have agreed that having consumer price inflation close to the middle target of its band puts it in the best position to respond to any future potential shocks to inflation. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much for that introduction. Start with Barbara Edmonds.
Okay, so that will be kicking off from what, so that's the first one there is the monetary statement. This is the first time we've covered one of these, so we're in uncharted territory, and I feel more nervous the fact that it's, was it you there? I do find it interesting, the day that had to happen was the drop of the OCR, and I'm still amazed that BNZ is still offering a 6-month term deposit at 5.25% interest. I'm still getting that sponsored ad on Facebook.
Oh, God.
Yeah, well, hey, you know, my business and personal banking are with them, but it's in the balance ones with KiwiBank, just for those who are wondering.
Okay, interesting. I just saw an article about KiwiBank being sued for...
overcharging fees?
Yeah, overcharging. Yeah.
Oh, many of the banks, they've been going through different ones. It's KiwiBank's turn.
Oh, they're just making their way through them all, are they?
Yeah, no, they're definitely going through all of them.
That doesn't surprise me.